Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about bullying and in particular cyberbullying and digital drama. Throughout this presentation I will be telling you what it is, preventative steps and precautions, and some resources. What is cyberbullying? By definition, it is systematically and chronically inflicting physical hurt or psychological distress on one or more students or employees. Some examples of cyberbullying as well as bullying involve but are not limited to teasing, threats, intimidation, stalking, cyberstalking, physical violence, theft, sexual, religious, or racial harassment, public and private humiliation, destruction of property, and social exclusion. How do you report a cyberbully or cyberbullying? Talk to a teacher or counselor or any other adult. Fill out a report via email or telephone to any responsible adult or Crime Stoppers. If a student feels uncomfortable reporting to any of the following options, other options would be a guidance office, school social work services, psychological services, compliance office, or a higher up administration office. What to do if you're a victim? Try sticking up for yourself and telling them to stop. Don't ignore it, report it. If it doesn't stop after that, make a written record of the incident including witnesses, dates, and times, and avoid being around your attacker or bully. How to minimize the risk of being bullied? Some do's would be thinking before you speak, keeping your hands to yourself, reporting any incident you may see or that has happened to you. Think about your actions and how they come off. If you ever feel like you've hurt someone's feelings, immediately apologize and let them know you did not intend for it to come off the way it did. Some don'ts would be touching others without their permission, interacting with others that have acted inappropriately towards you or have made you feel uncomfortable in any way, and making comments that would make others feel oppressed. And below, I have just listed some resources for students, so if they're being bullied and they want to know how to stop it or how to handle it. Educator resources, which would be a very good resource for us being future educators, teaching us to see the signs of kids being bullied or if a student comes to you, how to handle it. And then just parental resources, so for them to also see the signs and for them to help their child if their child comes to them and tells them that they've been bullied. Thank you.